Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the BlueDri BDAS550BL Negative Machine Airborne Cleaner HEPA Scrubber. This powerful air purifier is designed for commercial use, efficiently removing harmful airborne particles such as asbestos, smoke, pet dander, pollen, and sawdust. With its heavy-duty construction, the AS550 operates in 3 stages, each enhancing the purification process, making it ideal for construction sites, sewage remediation, and water and fire damage restoration. The precision-engineered HEPA filters remove 99.97% of particles greater than or equal to 0.3 micrometers, ensuring a clean and safe environment, even in hospital rooms. For those concerned about odors, an optional carbon filter is available separately, perfect for eliminating unwanted smells from paint, smoke, and more in places like salons or print shops. Built with durability in mind, the AirShield 550 comes with a robust 1-year warranty and a 5-year housing warranty, showcasing its resilience and quality. Trust BlueDri to deliver top-notch air purification with the AirShield 550, engineered to be the toughest on the market. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.